Want to create stunning YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or Facebook videos in just minutes, without editing skills or spending a single rupee? Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you can completely transform how you create content. All it takes is one idea, and this powerful AI tool will handle everything for you. It automatically creates video clips, visuals, background music, voiceovers, smooth transitions, and even premium-style subtitles. And yes, you can even make videos in English and upload them to channels targeting the USA, where ad revenue is significantly higher, which means more earnings. Let's dive in and create high-quality content faster than ever. Start by opening Google Chrome and searching for Jbrack AI. If the official website isn't at the top, just scroll down until you see the logo. Click to enter the site. Once the homepage loads, click on Get Free Access. Here's a trick most creators don't talk about. If you want to keep using this tool absolutely free, you'll need access to multiple email IDs, but you don't need to make them manually. Just open a new tab and search for Mail. Scroll past the ads and click on the Gmail generator link. Enter your real email and click Generate. You'll instantly get dozens of alias emails. Copy them, save them in your notes, and use them for repeated logins. Go back to the Jbrack website. Paste one of the generated emails, click Continue, enter your name, and choose a strong password with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters. Now check your Gmail inbox. You'll receive a confirmation email, click Confirm email address. Answer a few questions, then click Home, and your account is ready. Click on Create Video. Now the real magic starts. Choose a sample topic like healthy eating, or pick something that matches your niche. Next, select the visual style. For best results, go with AI-generated images. Now pick a script from the suggestions, and hit Generate Video. Wait for a minute or two, and your video will be ready, complete with visuals, transitions, and eye-catching subtitles. Want to personalize it more? You can customize fonts, text colors, subtitle styles, background music, and even how the images animate. Once everything looks great, click on Export. Set the resolution to 720p, keep compression to medium, and hit Prepare Video. If 1080p export isn't available for free, don't worry. I'll show you how to upgrade the quality later using editing apps. Now here's where the tool becomes even more powerful. What if you want to create videos in Hindi, or write your own script from scratch? Scroll down and click on the template option to unlock more features. Click Create Form, and now choose your method of video creation. Write a simple prompt. Use a video link. Paste your own script. Or upload your voiceover audio. Select your preferred language. Yes, all languages are available. Choose your video duration and pick a genre: motivational, educational, horror, fun facts, or more. Click Generate Script, choose from the options, or regenerate until you find the perfect one. Now choose your video's visual style: realistic, cartoon, 3D, etc. Select the aspect ratio: vertical for shorts, wide for long form. Pick a background music style that fits, for example, inspiring music for motivational videos. Then click Generate Video, and your customized video is ready. Want to make your video look even better? Import it into any video editor and apply these simple adjustments. Brightness, +5 to +10. Contrast, +10 to +15. Tint, +5. Saturation, +10. Vignette, 20 to 30. Sharpen, 70 to 80. These tweaks will enhance your video's quality dramatically. Check the before and after, you'll see the difference instantly. You can even add creative overlays and effects. Use picture-in-picture mode to add the effect full screen, then switch the blend mode to screen, and adjust opacity to around 80%. Now export your video in high resolution. Here's a simple strategy to grow fast. Upload 2 shorts daily on each channel. Create 2 or 3 different channels in multiple niches and stay consistent. It only takes 2 to 3 hours a day to produce and upload 6 videos. If you keep at it, at least one of your channels will start gaining traction. If you've made it this far, I know you're serious about building a content career, and that's exactly why you'll succeed. If this video helped you, then do one thing right now: subscribe to the channel, like this video, and tell me in the comments what tutorial you'd like next. And don't forget to watch the next video popping up on screen. It's packed with tips that can take your content to the next level. See you there.